Turn off your phone before installation. Remove the 2 pentagonal screws at the bottom. Heat the edges of the screen with a hairdryer. Gently remove the display screen using suction cups and plastic triangles. Note: please do not insert the tip to avoid scratching the screen. Note: do not attempt to fully detach the screen initially. Ensure you open the phone from the right side first. Unscrew the screws on the metal plate with a tri-point Y screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver. Disconnect all the connectors. Note: the battery cable is the first to disconnect. Before installation, connect the screen cable to test the new screen and confirm if the display and touch are functioning properly. Note: the battery cable is the last to connect. Note: the installation is incomplete. This is just a test to check if the screen is functional. The current progress is 30%. After the test, power off again for the next step. Disconnect all the connectors. Note: the battery cable is the first to disconnect. Remove the sensor and earpiece. Use a hairdryer to heat the nearby adhesive to make it more pliable for removal, avoiding damage. Note: please use the spudger gently and avoid applying excessive force to prevent damage to the components. If the adhesive is too strong, you can try using a hairdryer to heat it for a bit longer. Remove the transparent tape from the new screen. Install the sensor and earpiece. Note: improper handling can damage other components. Be careful during installation. Do not damage the proximity sensor module, and avoid touching the infrared lens location, as it may affect face LED usage. The current progress is 50%. 1. Remove the old double-sided waterproof film and residual tape around the edges. Two. Use a cotton swab to clean the surrounding area and check if the old screen bracket is broken. Before installation, when the screen cannot close properly, clean it thoroughly to ensure normal installation. Apply a new waterproof seal. Connect all cables. Note: the battery cable is the last to connect. Install the metal plate. Gently close the screen without misalignment. Press evenly on both sides with moderate force to avoid screen damage. Note: avoid pressing the screen corners, as this may damage the screen. Install back to bottom screws. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the installation of the new screen. The current progress is 100%.